Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can create a group on the Signal. So what you want to do is go to top right corner to the three dots, and right here you're gonna see for new group, and now you just add here whatever number you got, add to group, go a little further, and just wait. You just add here the group name, like this. You can change the photo if you want to, and yeah, this is how we do it. So again, top right corner, new group, invite, I don't know, friend here, further, group name, create, and voila, here we got a group. And I can simply message it in and everything. I can simply go to group settings and add members if I want to. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.